Okay, pupils, we are on this Get Smart Plus 3 workbook. We are on page 58. We are on module 7, revision, activity 1, look and match. So given example, number 1, turn right. And then number 2 is the opposite. So turn left. So you draw a straight line here. Turn left. Next, number 3. So this one, be quiet. Be quiet. Then question number 4, don't. So as for this red color, don't run. And then number 5, go straight. Next we go to activity 2. So activity 2, listen and number. So number 1 to 4. So we need to listen to audio. So now I'll play the audio.
Module 7, Workbook, Revision. Activity 2, listen and number 1 to 4. 1. What's the time?
It's 7:30.
2. What's the time?
It's 2:45.
3. What's the time?
It's 5:15.
4. What's the time?
It's 5 o'clock.
So if you listen carefully, so these are the answers. So A, 4, B, 2, C, 1, and then we have this D, 3. So next we go to activity 3. Look at activity 2 and write the time. So number 1, so A, so it's 5 o'clock. So activity 2, so this is it's 5 o'clock. O apostrophe clock. And then B, we have it's 2:45. So this one, we have the B here. So this is it's a quarter to 3. So we don't need this full stop here. So quarter, Q-U-A-R-T-E-R. So meaning before 3, a quarter. So which is 2:45. And then we have C. So it's 7:30. So basically this is not very correct in the sense that this shorthand should reach here rather than here. So this is it's 7:30. So it's half, because it is pointed to 6, so 7:30. And then next we go to the final one, D. So D, it's 1/4 past 5. So it's 1/4 past 5. So that's it for this page. We are on page 58, Get Smart Plus 3 Workbook. So if you're okay, you can subscribe here, and then you can watch the relevant videos here. And then right below this video, there's a link. You can click it. You can join my Telegram bot for free.